Alright everyone, what's going on? Today's video, I want to show you guys how to pair the i500 Super Clone AirPods to a iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus. So let's get started. Once again, these are Super Clone AirPods, so they're going to look pretty much the same like the real deal, but they are not actually the real deal. So what we're going to do, of course, go into the settings of our iPhone 7, and of course this should work the same for the 8 and the iPhone 6 as well. We'll go into the Bluetooth under settings here, and then we'll go ahead and enable this Bluetooth settings, and it's going to start searching for capable nearby Bluetooth devices. And while it's doing that, we'll go ahead and pop open this lid here for the i500. It'll get that green light. You will see where it says not your AirPods will show up. It'll select connect. It'll tell you to hold a button on the back of the case. So on the back of the case, there is this button here. You'll hold that down and hold it down until you see that white blinking light. It'll tell you it's connecting. Once it says it's connecting, let go of the button and then select done, and then it'll tell you that it's connected. And of course, if you hold the button for too long, this will appear, but just tap away from it and that will just cancel it. It'll tell you that it's connected, and then just go ahead and remove them from the i500's case. Okay, and you'll close that and just tap away once again if it shows up, and that's pretty much it. So you're only pairing it once, and it will appear multiple times to connect if you hold the button too long, like I just did. So once it says it's connecting, you just let it go as soon as possible, and of course it'll tell you it's connected. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.